Does that sound like humans? Our animals communicate in some way. Men use sounds or actions. Birds sing or tap their beaks, and dogs bark. Dolphins and whales use sound to communicate and to locate objects in the dark. It is often hard to see underwater, so sound is very important to whales and dolphins. To make most sounds, these animals blow air through a hole on top of their bodies. Large whales make low-pitched sounds. Smaller whales and dolphins make high-pitched ones. Many of these sounds are indiscernible to the human ear. Only the animals can hear them. Dolphins use whistle-like sounds to communicate. Scientists think that every dolphin has its own whistle. This is like the animal's name or signature. A dolphin might make the sound to greet others. It may also whistle loudly to signal for help. Whales also use whistle and song to communicate with other whales. Some of these songs can travel thousands for millions miles through the water. Dolphins and whales also use sound to see things by sending clicking sounds into the water. If the click hits something, for example a rock, it creates an echo. This echo returns and gives whales and dolphins important information. It tells them where something is and how big it is. By using the clicks and the echoes, dolphins and whales can swim around and locate food, even in the dark. Today, scientists are studying these animals to better understand them and the important sounds they create. They might have a lot to teach us about communication.